Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your World of Warcraft Find Your Character filter on Instagram. Then, of course, you can record a video of yourself with the filter, save it to your camera roll, and then post it to Snapchat or TikTok or any other social media that you would like to. Anyhow, to do this, you just got to go over to Instagram. Then you just got to search for Warcraft. Once you're on Warcraft's Instagram page, you just want to go to the Filters tab, and you will see the Find Your Character filter tab right here. You just want to click on it, and it will just go through a bunch of different characters and then show you which one that you are. You can simply just try it out here, or you can save it to your saved filters and use it whenever you would like. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.